Now there's a new way to learn Caesar 2 software, the most widely used pipe stress analysis system in the world. PipingDesignOnline.com and the Intergraph Corporation have worked together to bring you the Caesar 2 Fundamentals online video training course. This is the first course in a series that we're developing. Now you can learn Caesar 2 when it's convenient for you, and you'll be taken step by step through many of the commands and features in the software. You'll learn how to model geometry, error check it, analyze it, and review the results. Based on examples found in the Appendix S of the ASME B31.3 piping code, you'll model the geometry shown and compare your results with those in the code. Along the way, you'll explore a number of topics like designing hangers, creating new load cases, designing wind loads, and producing custom reports of your analysis results. One of the course lessons works with a line imported from a 3D CAD modeling system, and you'll test it and modify it to increase its flexibility. You'll see how changes in the geometry can reduce the forces and moments around a set of pump nozzles, and as you do this, you'll learn and use a number of techniques to modify models in Caesar 2 software. Online video training can be a very effective way to learn and has a number of advantages over conventional classroom training. In a workplace environment with motivated learners, our consistent instruction delivers quality training at a fraction of the cost of classroom training. Online training is convenient. Anyone can view the course at any time, anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Our Caesar 2 training gets delivered the same way every time by qualified instructors. Nothing gets left out or misstated. Users learn at their own pace. This is not a one-size-fits-all classroom. If a user doesn't understand something, he or she rewinds the video and watches it again. No one gets left behind or misses anything. Our courses are designed to deliver high-quality training without all the travel and missed work expenses. This format lets you focus on your training when it best fits your schedule. The Caesar 2 Fundamentals course is composed of 33 videos and an extensive workbook that has over 200 pages of detailed information. In the coming months, we'll be releasing video training courses in Caesar 2 Statics and Caesar 2 Dynamics. So please visit our websites to get more information. You can find more details at the Intergraph CADWorks and Analysis Solutions website, coa.com, and also at the course hosting website, pipingdesignonline.com. So thank you for watching this, and we appreciate your interest in online video training for Caesar 2 software.